Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add a table to your Microsoft Office Word document on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application, Microsoft Word. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, go to the folder, My YouTube Channel. Now go to the folder, Word Documents, locate the file, Document, double click to open. Let's now go to a new page, or we can stay on the same page to now insert a table. Let's now go to Insert Table, 1 by 1, 2 by 2. Let's just do 3 by 3. And so there we have a table. If we increase the size of the Word document itself, there we have a table on screen. We can now edit the table if required to. Let's just say name, videos. The name would be Computer Science Videos. Videos, let's just say 1,000. We can now adjust the size of the table itself. The rows and columns can also be adjusted. If we wish to, we can edit some of the text, align within the center. If we wish to remove the table lines, we can go to Table Design, Borders, No Borders, and there we have a table without the borders. If we were to revert back to all borders, and there we have the borders on the table. Let's just save. And so, Quick Word, Quick Finder. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.